Okay, guys, welcome back once again, and welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, we teach how to make money online, CPA marketing, anything related to making money online. So, recently I made a video on how to create OgAds accounts. That was 2 months ago, and 3 months ago, I showed you guys how to add your payment details to OgAds account. Now it's about time for us to promote offers on OgAds. Now you can see that the account that I used in the tutorial, this in creating the account that I created in my tutorial is here. You can see everything is showing zero, and now it's about time for us to make cool cash on OgAds. When you go to the offer section of OgAds, you can see that um, most offers on OgAds are different as compared to other art networks out there, because when you go to CPA grip, you can get when you click on their view icon section, you can get your link, affiliate link, that you can promote to earn cash. But as for or in OgAds, this thing is not there. The deep linking or the link to the offer is not there, so you have to do certain things easy for you to get your account or your affiliate link. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how you can create a link in OgAds and how you can optimize that link and make money online. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video as well, and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop amazing video like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. And don't forget to comment down all your questions. I'll be there to help you out. Okay, guys, so now without all being said, let's get down to today's business. Now you can see that we have so many offers on this section, so you can filter out by hitting on this payout section. All right, so you can see that after hitting on payout section, you can see most of the offers are paying higher than others. So now this is how we can make the money with this platform. Now you can see some of the offers have been changed to boosted, and you don't if you're a complete beginner, you don't understand, or you won't understand the reason why it has been changed to boosted as compared to the first thing. You can see that they are all showing active. So let me use the active section to show you how you are going to make money with this platform. Okay, so guys, you can see over here that this offer is available in India. This is available in so many Bolivia. Okay, so this offer is available in so many countries. Like you can see over here, this offer is also available in so many countries, but the off payout is a little bit low. So let's go to this session and find an offer that pays a little bit higher. All right, so let me hit on that. All right, so let me go to page 88. I think that place we can get um all right, I just want to us to get a higher amount or a higher profitable ad to promote. Okay, let's use this for instance. All right, so when you get to the dashboard of OgAds, the default um settings of the offers is being active. If you have a newly created account for OgAds, the default ones will be active, like what you see right now over here. All right, over here, all of the default ones will be active, like what you see here. It will be active. All right, so now let me show you how quickly you can set your affiliate link and get your affiliate link to promote. Okay, so when you come to this session, you just have to change the offer that you want to promote from active to boosted, and you must check the religion before you set that. So you can see this offer is available in France, and the payout section, the payout is 4.55. So now you go to this section where it says offer to tools over here, and you click content locking. So now you can create a content locker as easy as that, but there is certain things that you need to do as a complete beginner to earn cash if you want to run ads with OgAds. So they have content locking, and if you are running ads, it doesn't make any sense to people to create or um, just unlock your content before they get what they want. Content locking is for example, if you have a PS game like what you see right now over here. This is a computer this is a mobile app game, and I've locked it. So in order for people to download this game, they need to um, get or unlock the content, or unlock get perform some offers before they can get what they want from that. So I can hit on view um, content over here. I can hit on view details, and I can copy this link, copy, come to this session, paste it here. All right, I'll just hit on enter, and it's going to load the offers over here for me. You can see that it says content log, complete robot verification to download DL25 for free. Now let's come to this session. So if you're a complete beginner, that means if you are going to run ads, content locking is not bad for you. It's not best. Trust me, it's not best for you. You don't have to use content locking. All you need to do is to use smart links. Use smart links. As for smart links, create a smart link over here, and this one offers over here. You just have to add them, the country that you want to promote, the offers that you want to promote, so you can hit them by payout. For example, if I want to promote offers in the United States, I can just hit and add. So after adding them, you can see that these offers are available over here. That's how we create a link for uh, paid promotion. But if you are somebody who is going to use content locking, like for example, if you have some documents, an ebook, and people are in haste for that, that means you have to unlock they have to unlock your content locking before they will get your um document, or the things that you want, the files that you want to give to them. Just have to do that. So all you need to do is to click on that, create a new locker, and you can see, just have to type in all these details over here. So at this session, you just have to use redirect, or remove log will be there for the desktop people, and redirect to the URL that you are going to use. If it's a blog post or a YouTube video that you want people to watch before, you can use redirect section, and you paste it over here. So advanced section, you just have to use conversion, you just have to use two, because you just want them to use to get sorry, we just want them to complete two offers before the offer will open for them. So AI assistant, just leave it on label enabled over here, and the boosted ones, just leave it to enable. Means you're going to load offers that is being shown. Let's go to the offer section that are being shown boosted, that I change from active to boosted. That means they are going to show that offers to the person who is going to unlock that content. So that is it. Now it's about time for us to go to another section of creating it. So we still go to tools over here, and we have file lockers over here. So file lockers are for if you have an ebook, you can lock that files over here. It takes the same style as the first one, so you can see use that to download. So customize theme, you can customize everything. The advanced session, you can see over here that is as compared to the first one. So use, when you get to the only boosted offers, so you just leave it enabled. So when somebody clicks on that to download, the offers in that person's region will load for them to download or install the app before they will get your content, or the thing that you locked, the file that you want them to download. So you can see redirect file. So let's take it that you have you uploaded the file at this platform Mediafire. You can place that link over here, and these people will be able to um, use that. So unlocking will allow access to premium content, so you can change that. Here is that in advanced session. So customized session, you can see this is where you can change this text over here. And the advanced session, you can come to the session, so you can see CPI patronized, prioritize, sorry, than then CPA, then pin. This section means cost per install is most important for you as a promoter. If somebody clicks on your link, you want them, or you want OgAds to show them CP cost per app install offers before. If there is no app install offer in that region, that means they should use CPA offer, like cost per action. They need to sign up to a website and then pin submit, so you can change from that place if you want people to make money. If you want to make money with that, you can change from that place to CPI, CPA, and pin submit are prioritized equally. So just leave it that. So any offer in that section, they can kind of click on that. You're going to load a lot of offers like what you see right now for you. So that being said, if you are watching me right now, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, so that whenever I drop one amazing video like this, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. So let's go to the section where it says capture locker. So like CPA grip, we have so many capture like you see right now. If you are somebody who is going to promote it on a website, I will advise you use capture locker, because most people are used to these captures. So when they click on that, I'm not a robot, it's going to load this offers like what you see right now. Before they can they have to complete some offers before they verify. So it will be a usual thing for them, because they used to do that when get to online, as compared to the other lockers. Is a little bit difficult for people to access your content locking. So you have to, if you're a newbie or if you're a complete beginner, just use capture locker. And most people are going to fill up this capture, because it's a usual thing that they used to do on Google and other websites. So it will not be something different for them. They will just do it in order to bypass this capture, to make to get whatever they want. Okay, so now let's come back to this section. I've already explained smart links. So now let's go to domain. You can use custom domain apart from um, OgAds provided domains. You can switch from that and add your custom domain as you want over here. So just add it over here, and people are going to access that. For example, I have a website over here that has been added to my website YouTube channel. So I can come to the session and just copy the domain name over here, just copy that, and I'll just paste it here. For example, paste it here and then add domain. So uh if somebody visits my link over here, or I can use this to promote my office, so it will be usual for my followers to know that, oh, this is a usual thing, because this is website. So if you are visiting that website, for people to just complete offers on your website. So that is it. So guys, if you have any question, don't forget to leave that in the comment section, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new and you haven't done that yet, subscribe to the channel. That is all for today. In my next video, I'll show you how to use paid promotion method to make money with OgAds, and also I'll show you guys how to maximize your profit, as simple as that. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your time. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.